Good morning, peoples. It is about 7:10 in the morning. We gotta leave in 20 minutes. I am tired. I think we're all tired. But it'll be a fun day. Animal Kingdom opens up at 8. So my outfit kind of matches. My socks match my shirt because they're yellow. Okay, so it's a little too early for my family. So we are going back to sleep. And we are going to leave here at 9:30, which is in about an hour and a half. Okay, so change of plans. It is now about 10:20, and the boys are not coming with us to Animal Kingdom. It's just us two.
Makes it better.
So yeah. Heidi, we're headed to Expedition Everest.
Woo! We're gonna conquer Everest.
I'm a little sick. We'll see how this goes. It'll be fun. Okay, that was super fun. I feel a lot better. My mother was scared the whole time.
Yes, I was attached to Akila's shoulder the entire ride.
Yeah, she's scared of roller coasters. So that was fun. Well, you want to look at our picture? Okay, so we tried to go eat at Yak and Yeti, which is a restaurant that one of my favorite YouTubers recommended, but the wait was 55 minutes for 2 people, so we're gonna go find somewhere else to eat. Because we're hungry. We haven't even eaten breakfast, and it's like almost noon. Okay, we're gonna try to go eat in Pandora, so this will be fun.
Yeah, I like this one. Ooh.
Yes, we decided to share some shrimp, and my mom wanted like red sweet potato hash.
Red and sweet potato hash.
Red and sweet potato hash. Disgusting. I got rice and black beans.
Yay, food!
Oh wow. We were headed to Dinosaur because it has like a 20-minute wait. So we gotta like race over there because it's all the way on the opposite end of the park. I really wish Primeval World was open because that was like one of my favorite rides. Safaris. I'm starting to not feel so great, so we'll see. Mother, where are you going? We're going this way. Yeah, we'll see how I feel in a little bit. I am not feeling well at all. This is going to be our last ride. We're going to head back to the room, lay down for a while, then get ready for the party tonight. We'll go to dinner before the party. Got this popsicle. I'm definitely feeling a little bit better. Okay, so I need to fix my hair. But guess who's back and better than ever? Those sausage wraps aren't the only thing you're finna see twice. It's your girl Kiki. Let's go. So I know there's a Yoshi on my head and I have a tail on this dress. But listen, so I was sick went home, took me a nap, feel much better. We are headed to our dining reservation at, it's Cinderella something, I can't remember. I know it's not the royal table though, but it'll be fun. I'm excited. And then we go to Magic Kingdom because we're going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. Okay, the dinner was cute. We lost my father, so we told him we'd meet him at the car, and then we are headed to Magic Kingdom. Okay, I know you can't see me, but we made it off the tram.
See my my Luigi hat?
No, they can't.
Well, they can
see the hat.
Absolutely.
But, anywho, but made it off the tram. Now we have about a 10-minute walk to get to Magic Kingdom. I don't know how I feel about that, but it'll be fun once we get there. What is in my hair? I have cotton candy in my hair. That's great. I tried to film inside the Haunted Mansion, but you couldn't see anything. It was like pitch black on my camera, so I apologize. But look at all the cool stuff over there. You can't even see that. You know what? It's okay. It's raining, but we're about to ride Peter Pan's flight. Cute. I really wish I could get some more footage on these rides, but it's just so dark. I can't see anything. Space Mountain during the Halloween time is pretty fun because it's like pitch black in there. And you don't know what to do anything. Yeah, it was pretty long. But yeah, it was fun. Hi peoples. So I know my full costume's not on, but there will be pictures and stuff I have on this dress. I have on a little tail. Kids, listen, okay? I know y'all are looking at this video like, how did you get home and didn't show us anything? Well, let me tell you what happened. So we rode Space Mountain, okay? Which I took video of that, I think. And then it like literally looks like a hurricane outside. But they called it a tropical storm. I think it was a hurricane. So yeah, so we had to like run to the car. Hello, Father, say hi to the people.
What up?
Yeah, so we had to like run to the car. It was cold, it was soaking wet. I had on my poncho, and it was a lot, it was stressful. And we left way before the party was actually over, like 2 hours before, but not 2, it was like an hour and some. Yeah, so we didn't get to see any of those shows or anything. I'm sorry y'all didn't get to see that, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna go to sleep. And my hair is wet, so yeah, good night. Alright, so good morning people. I'm assuming y'all can hear the storm outside. Yeah, we're headed home today. This is the aftermath of the storm yesterday that we had to walk in. Yep. I didn't want to, it was wet. No. Stop! I completely forgot to be updating y'all. Y'all, I have really bad acne right now. Sorry, I look a hot mess right now. But we went to Ruby Tuesday. We got here extremely early. We ate. It wasn't very good. And now we're waiting to board the plane. And then we have a layover in Houston. We're gonna be back home in Colorado. Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, the lights are adjusting. Welcome back. I know I didn't film today. It's because it was just a travel day all day today. It is now about 8 o'clock at night, something like that. Our trip is over. So this concludes my 18th Disney World birthday celebration trip thingy. It was super fun. Yeah, so down in the description, like, comment, subscribe, or don't. Do whatever makes you happy. I have my Twitter down there. Go follow me on Twitter if you want. Follow me on TikTok, which I also have down there. Although I wouldn't exactly recommend following me on TikTok because I rarely ever post on there, but I do have 2 very funny videos up on my TikTok. So yeah, my TikTok will be down there too. So yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Have a lovely rest of your day, week, life. Lovely rest of your life. And I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces.